Hi, it's Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, and the Buzz Kanter YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe. And I'm out being socially conscious, out riding the Indian FTR1200S, which we've been using as a project bike in American Iron Magazine. And we are socially conscious. There's no one in town. Everybody's out, including this parking lot that's normally full. This is a project bike we've had at American Iron, and we were doing some upgrades to it. The first thing we did was we changed the seat over and we put on a Corbin seat. It gives a little bit more focus on where it puts the rider, cleans it up, and plus it looks good and it's a good solid feel. Corbin seats have been very successful for a reason. They feel good, they look good, and they hold up over time. The other thing we did is we changed the bodywork over. We went over to this carbon fiber. This is all available from the Indian factory, carbon fiber shells here on the top, and the front fender, all carbon fiber, very cool. The other thing that we did is we changed the exhaust, and we did a whole series of tests. We dynoed them. We ran the stock Akrapovic, which is a very impressive exhaust, performed very, very well. We ran the S&S, we ran the QDs, we ran Toast Performance. All of them came relatively close in performance to each other. So it's what do you like the look of, what do you like the sound of? So what's the sound of these? Well, let's go find out. Turn it on. Let it cycle up. It's already warm because I was just riding it a few minutes ago. So it runs through its cycle. And we are being socially aware here. So, okay, so that's on, hit the starter. Oh, and we flashed this, by the way. So we got rid of that cold start. So here's the QD exhaust. So it's a good authority sound without being obnoxious. I'm not a big fan of overly loud pipes. This has a good look. It's got a good sound. We did take the baffles out of them. That was the Euro spec. And there you have it. We did leave the catalytic converter on. We tested it without the cat, and it did not add any performance whatsoever on the dyno, but it did make it much, much louder. So once again, here's the QD exhaust, the slip-ons. So good sound. So once again, Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, and the Buzz Kanter YouTube channel. Please subscribe with the little button on the screen. It's fast, it's easy, and it costs nothing.